Hello and welcome. My name is Noel. This is the Wppi 2024 in Las Vegas, Nevada.
10:30, doors open, immediately you were slammed.
Another thing that I enjoyed about this event is actually meeting other photographers, because you never know who's going to inspire you.
Yeah, and not just locally, like from all over the world.
That's what brought us here. It wasn't just that it was in the world of photography, it was the level of attendees that are in the space, right?
Yes.
A lot of professionals, a lot of people who do a lot of really cool work, a lot of people who can do something on
It has nothing to do with what I'm capturing, it's what I hold important as a photographer.
Third year in a row, actually.
Third year in a row.
We came 3 years ago, and to kind of test the market, we had camera bags, obviously, and we wanted to see how it would be accepted by the wedding photographers and portraits and everything, and it was a raging success.
It's a great show.
Wppi 2024 is a success.
A success, and I'm ready for 2025. I can't wait.
This is a big deal.
Yep. The reality is it was fantastic.
We can count on you, on Lucy Hub being here next year.
Totally back.
So it's been a fantastic show so far, and we're excited to come back next year.
So there you have it. This is a wrap for Wppi 2024. Join us next year when Wppi come back to Las Vegas in 2025. My name is Noel, and this is Sin One Media.